Mga kapuso, excited na sinalubong ng Pinoy basketball fans ang NBA superstar na si Ja Morant.
Malakas na hiyawan ang sinalubong ng fans ni Ja Morant ng Memphis Grizzlies sa kanyang unang pagbisita sa Pilipinas. Nagpakitang gila sa harap ni Ja ang ilan sa mga pinakamahuhusay na manlalaro ng high school mula sa De La Salle Zobel Junior Archers at mula sa local community. Kasama rin nila ang professional basketball players na sina Jack Animam, Marga Jimenez, Richie Rivero, CJ Cancino, Jeron Teng at Renza Bando. Hindi rin siyempre nawala ang signature Grady dance ni Morant. At nagpakita rin ng kanyang dunk. Nagkaroon din ng meet and greet.
One day mo na, you're gonna be in the spotlight. That goes to show how resilient we are as athletes.
He's an inspiration to all the youth. I mean, as you could see in this event, maraming mga bata that really admire him. And, you know, Ja Morant is a man of the people.
Bumisita rin sa Mandaluyong si Isaiah Joe ng 2025 NBA champion OKC Thunder. Kasama ang Larry O'Brien Trophy ng NBA. Hindi siya makapaniwalang may 4-point line sa basketball dito sa Pilipinas.
You said a 4-point line. Is that real?
Yeah.
That's real.
Yeah.
That's where I'm gonna live. That's my spot then. That must be the Isaiah Joe spot, huh?
Advice ng NBA champion sa lahat ng nangangarap maabot ang tugatog ng tagumpay.
Don't expect it to be easy. You will have ups and downs. You have very high highs and very low lows, but you have to stay level-headed through it all and just stay consistent because at the end of the day, if you have that discipline and have that consistency, it's going to work out.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier, nakatutok 24 oras.